Hi everybody, how are you doing? I hope all is well. This is Tara Gurry, your North Myrtle Beach Realtor. I am here right in North Myrtle Beach on 22nd Avenue South at 702. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a wonderful bungalow, beach cottage. Does have the square footage is 1,200, lots of upgrades on this, and it's a walk to the beach, centrally located here in North Myrtle Beach. It's raining here. I'm under this magnolia tree, and let's go ahead and take a tour of this home. Great, everybody. So come right in. So here is the living area. There are tiled floors throughout. So we're going to be coming into the kitchen, and a lot of upgrades in here. So we have the granite countertops. This is quite large too, as you can see here. The stainless steel appliances are new. You have your breakfast nook right here. So plenty of space. Here is one of the bedrooms. Out here, they went ahead and they redid the porch. So you have a whole porch area here. This is a brand new porch. You have a good sized lot here with privacy. Here is the washer and dryer. Brand new washer and dryer. Okay, so in here is your hallway. Here is the master bedroom. This does come fully furnished. This has not been rented out. The owners have just used it as second home, beach home. Okay. So here is the bathroom, shower tub combo. New roof and skylights. So the roof was put in a few years ago with skylights. Good sized bedroom. Here is the other bathroom. So again, you notice I'm able to walk around quite a bit in here. These are good size rooms, bathrooms. And here is the other bedroom. Just as I was saying, good size, new window, new blinds here. Of course, no HOA. This is a single family home. We'll go ahead. We actually have the realtors coming in with a gentleman interested. The asking price on this is $449. And here is the outside with a nice spacious. Hi there, good. Oh, you're fine. Hi, Amy. Hi, everybody. So a good sized lot. Okay, 22nd Avenue South. So you'd be able to just walk down to the beach there, and you can see some of the mid-rises there. Those are right on the beach, so it's just a couple blocks to the beach. So that magnolia tree is quite large. You see that? We have some beautiful palmetto trees as well on the property. So again, with this being a single family home on a lot, you'd be able to add a garage here, even if you wanted something to the side. You see where they're parked there. Obviously it's not paved. That could be paved and going back, but that's all part of the property line. And I see the stake down there actually, and I'm standing. It's basically lined up with this mailbox here. So I see the stake at the end. So there's plenty of room, you know, to do something as far as adding a concrete slab for parking. And again, with this being 22nd Avenue South, we are close to Main Street still, and right by Highway 17 that has everything that you could possibly want. So let me flip it around. Hi everybody. Yep, so again, the location here is great. Obviously this is a older bungalow, but a lot of upgrades there and a lot more you could do with it. The location you can't beat. I know I repeat myself, sorry. And so if you're interested in this one or any other properties, I'd love to hear from you. Contact information is below, of course. Just give me a call, 843-877-5839. You all take care. God bless.